Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about Hotfix or Hotspot form of access file on Meet or Google Meet weekly constituents. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.